Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
MLA ka Panthor Umkhra constituency, but ubalong ru chairman ka State Government Program Implementation and Monitoring Committee, uba ALHEC, ulapin pau ya ka jingkmi lunti babaro ki Takma Ksiar, haga National Games ka Banwan, anbat da Nongïalehkai na Meghalaya. Ya kani ulapin pau haga jingalang penkut ya ka 10 East Khasa Hills District Open Badminton Championship araja arpo hendrio, haga laipau terik unaitung araja arpo hendrio, haga Glade Sports Arena ka baha maulai mauro. Uba hek kum uwe ni ki baju shimbenta haga Nongïalehkai badminton ula no ala kumba arpo snam. Ula ong balada ki kena ki dona ka mensiam bantrish tom, klempep Baroh ki Takma Ksiar ki lech ki Nongïalehkai ka jila ha Baroh ki jat Nongïalehkai. Haga ni ka 39 National Games arajar arpo henyo ka bandong ha Meghalaya. Shu uba hek ubalong ru kum uwe ni ki baju smart Nongïalehkai football ha ki por balalej, bat kumju haga Nongïalehkai tiet golf. Ula kenturu iki kena bakin penmilian haga ban shimbenta haga Nongïalehkai sports, kenang bakan pelat yaki na ki jingsniu ki babunjan.
Badminton for the last 2 decades before. Last 2 decades I have stopped playing badminton. I have started playing golf. Prior to that I was a football player which I had played up to the first division level. But I am also, yes, like you only a sportsman. So therefore if you are participating in any disciplines of your sports, you are free from any kind of abuses. You have become a disciplined personality. So therefore, I congratulate to each one of you who are taking up any kind of sport. But we are also looking, as what Basun had said, we have to get so many winners in the time to come. But I am looking, by your spirit, the next national game, all the gold medal will be retained in the state of Meghalaya. I am looking all the gold medalists, the gold medals, all will be stayed in the state of Meghalaya with all the discipline. I wish all the best to all of you, and also once again like to thank the organizers for giving the platform, I would say.
Baroh ki brio ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ka jing sedang bathuma ki jingikai bapura katkom kajop ka bamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jingikai kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjop ki urlong, but ki kalalong ka jingshisha.
MIT University Meghalaya ka jingyai lenti ka bastang shakalaway bachok.